Welcome to this tutorial on building a secure file system with Java. In today's video, we will dive deep into the concepts of file system security and how to implement these concepts in a Java application. First, let's define what we mean by a secure file system. A secure file system ensures data confidentiality, integrity, and availability. It prevents unauthorized access and tampering. Our goal is to create a Java-based file system that meets these criteria. Before we start coding, let's make sure we have the required tools. You will need Java Development Kit, JDK, installed, any Java IDE like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, and Maven for dependency management. To start with, let's create a basic Maven project. Open your terminal and type the following command. This command creates a new Maven project in a folder named Secure File System. Now, navigate to this folder in your IDE. In the pom.xml file, we will be adding some dependencies that will help us with file cryptography and secure file handling. Let's add the Bouncy Castle library, which is a powerful tool for cryptographic operations. After adding the dependency, don't forget to refresh your project to download the necessary libraries. Now, we need to create a simple class structure for our file system. We will create a class called Secure File System that will handle all our file operations. Let's start implementing that. In this class, we first generate a key pair consisting of a public key and a private key. We'll use these keys for encryption and decryption later. Now, let's implement a method to encrypt files. We'll create a method named encryptFile that takes a target file and output file name as parameters. In this method, we initialize the cipher in encryption mode and read the contents of the input file. After we encrypt it, we write it to the specified output file. Now let's add a method to decrypt files. This method will take in an encrypted file and produce the original file. This decrypt file method does the reverse of the encrypt file method. It initializes the cipher in decryption mode and uses the private key to decrypt the data. Next, let's implement some exception handling to provide better security practices. Exception handling is crucial for security to avoid revealing sensitive information. We wrap the encryption process in a try-catch block to catch any exceptions that may occur and log an appropriate message without revealing sensitive information. To further enhance the security of our file system, let's implement authentication. Authentication will ensure that only authorized users can access or manage files. Here, we created an authenticate method that checks a hard-coded username and password. In practice, you would want to implement a more secure authentication mechanism. Now, let's integrate the authentication check into our file operation methods to ensure they can only be performed by authenticated users. By adding the check for the authenticated user, we can prevent unauthorized file operations. This is a crucial step in enhancing security. Next, let's discuss how to secure our authentication credentials. Storing passwords securely is vital in any application. For this, we can use BCRYPD hashing. Here we use the bcrypt library to hash passwords securely. The user's actual passwords are not stored. Only the hashes are saved, preventing plaintext exposure. Finally, let's put everything together and test our secure file system program with a simple main method. In this main method, we authenticate the user and then proceed to encrypt a file only if authentication is successful. As you can see, we've built a simple yet secure file system within a Java application. Remember that in real-world applications, you should continuously audit and improve your security implementations. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on Java programming and security-related topics. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below. See you in the next video.